This gimbal's freaking me out a bit, but anyway. Got a parcel. Modz R Modz, remember. Everything counts. Do the number plate light bulbs on the back of the Civic. I've taken a quick video of the before. Very yellow, very old, but we're going to make it look more modern. By having white LED bulbs. I'm probably going to clean the lenses as well somehow in the kitchen sink with some, I don't know yet. So I've got some glass cleaner and various fairy liquids. Might work, might not work, but we'll go. First off, we'll go and get the old ones off. These look like dead easy to be fitting. White bulbs, amazing, isn't it, really? Modz R Modz.
So to do this, you just need to slide the lens cover to the right hand side. I had to do it with a screwdriver at first, give it a little gentle persuasion to come undone. Apparently you can normally do it with your hand, but these were quite tight, so give it a little tease with a screwdriver and then shift it across the right hand side, which is the driver's side of the car. I imagine they're all the same and they all go the same direction. There isn't a great deal of space here to actually get the lens cover out. It's quite close to the boot grab handle itself. You kind of have to just wiggle it so you can get enough space to get the little lens cover to come out a bit, which then means you can then remove the lens cover from the bulb holder itself instead of taking the whole lot off, because I couldn't actually get my hand in to get the wiring plug off the back of it anyway. So the lens cover just comes off on its own. It's quite awkward trying to do this and holding the camera in one hand, but you can manage it one-handed luckily. I didn't drop it. Don't like doing these voiceover bits actually. Never mind. The bulbs are dead easy to get out, just grab hold of them and pull them out, dead simple. When you're putting the LED ones in though, they do actually only go in one way. Well, they go in both ways, but they only actually work if you have them round the right way, so it's probably best to sort of just touch it into the bulb holder, just to see if you've got the connection the right way around before you put it in, because I made that mistake, obviously, and they didn't work at first, which I was very happy about.
Didn't really record any sound out there. Especially in the dark. It's a bit weird talking to yourself, so I didn't really talk to myself. But it's dead easy to do. You just slide them across and they come off. But as you can see, there's really not a lot of space to get that out, and luckily you can just take the lens cover off. You don't have to unplug the whole wires and everything off the back of it. I'm going to try and give them a little clean up. They are possibly supposed to be cloudy looking. But I'll give them a little bit of a clean up with some window cleaner or whatever I've got in the kitchen and the sink. See if they come out a little bit better, and then I'll fit them back on, and then that's that job done. Slightly more modern looking back end for about £2 off eBay. Amazing. I'll spray them with a bit of Windoline and give them a wipe out, and they have kind of come out a little bit cleaner actually. They're still a bit cloudy, but maybe they are actually supposed to be cloudy because then they spread the light a bit better. Not bad though. Not bad. Right, I'll go and get them fitted back on, and that's it. That's the job done. So yeah, my £2 bulbs are actually duller than the original ones, and they weren't even that white, so it doesn't even look that modern. It just looks duller. Thanks eBay. I might try some slightly more expensive bulbs at £3, so they get on. I'm going to have to put the other ones back in because you can't read that reg plate at all. That was a proper waste of a couple of minutes, wasn't it? But there you go, dead easy to change. Slide the bulb holder across, pull that off, just take the lens cover off and leave like the plug in the background, just pull your bulb out, put new bulbs in. It's really straightforward to do, dead easy. But make sure you get proper bright bulbs, or just replace the bulbs with normal bulbs. You won't have that problem. I have to go and redo everything. It's a waste of a couple of minutes for me. Way, whatever. eBay's let me down lately, hasn't it?